On the ceiling, you see quite a few of recessed light, most of them LED. It's actually a 6-inch recessed lighting here, as you can see. Just want to show you that what I use to make the holes. You see, I use these also that I purchased from Amazon, 6.1 inch in diameter, which is 6 inch. I use these drill Ryobi. And another thing I use is this saucer, as you can see here. And this what I use is actually to protect you from the dust. When you're actually drilling a hole on a ceiling, all kind of dust and debris will fly. So let me show you how I'm using this saucer to protect you from dust and debris that's flying when you're actually drilling a hole in the ceiling. So first take this Ryobi drill, and what you're doing here, you can see here there is a speed setup, okay? There is a 1 here, digit if you can see. I'm just put it to 2. And then what I'm doing here, I'm actually putting, you see this, that is the torque. I'm actually put it to the maximum torque by taking it with a clock, okay? So the first thing, that's what you're doing before you want to drill a hole in a ceiling or in a drywall. So the second thing you're doing, you're taking these also and you put the saucer on the back, okay? So that is the way it looks from the back here, and that is the way it looks from the front here, okay? And that will protect the person who drills in a ceiling from dust and debris. So the third thing you need to do is just put it in the drill here, okay? And when you put in a drill, you really want to close it. Okay, so you really have to close it tight. You must close it tight as much as you can. Okay, and that's the way it looks currently. When you're going to drill, it's going to be from here. But that's the way it looks. And let me show you. If I'm going to really try to move it, you can see how easy it's moved. And remember, I really put it on a reverse mode. It's actually not going to go forward, it's going to go in the reverse. So here it is, you put it in the reverse and it's going against the clock. And now I can show you example of drilling hole on a ceiling. And remember, that will protect you more or less, but you still have to have a glass and a mask. And you can see what happened to my colleague when he did not put a glass, how still some dust actually penetrate and fly on his face. Pulling the electrical cable out of the ceiling. Here where you see the hole, I'm going to use different approach to make a hole in the ceiling. So first I'm going to drill a 6-inch hole in a 1 foot by 3 foot drywall board. Now I'm going to use this board in order to drill a hole in the ceiling. No, a little bit left or right. No, it's the center. It's good. Yeah, only it's good. It's okay, it's the center. Okay, that's okay.
got wire too.
Yeah. So look at this all. It's clear cut. As you can see here, no problem whatsoever.